Gluing the sexy strip to your Tesla's air vent is one of the easiest things to do, and thousands of people have already successfully done it. However, we read through your comments and saw that some legacy Model 3 and Y owners had a slightly more difficult time understanding how to install the sexy strip inwardly compared to the Highland and Juniper models. That's why we created this tool, which will help you with the installation. The process is extremely simple. We'll start from the left side of the air vent. Place the strip diffuser first until it snaps into place. Then, remove a small portion of the seal to expose the glue. Place the handle of the tool against the edge of the air vent along with the strip. Then, firmly press with your thumb so the strip stays in one place and slide the tool to the right, using it as a guide. Complete the entire process slowly and remove only small portions of the cover tape, allowing the glue to remain fresh. And don't forget that your air vent needs to be turned off the whole time, otherwise the airflow will weaken the adhesive. If you think this tool will help you with the installation process, we'll leave a file in the video description that you can use to 3D print it. Also, you can find it by visiting the Sexy Strip page at enhauto.com. We hope this little tool will help you throughout your installation process, allowing you to enjoy your experience with our newest product sooner. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel because more educational videos are coming your way.